Good evening, everyone. Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today, we are going to discuss Current Affairs of May 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. Let's move to the first question. When is National Defence Transportation Day celebrated? Answer: May 21. National Defence Transportation Day is a United States federal observance day observed on third Friday in May. Second question. Which company is going to launch its first physical store in New York? Answer: Google. Google has announced to open its first ever physical retail store in New York where customers can experience its hardware and service in a helpful way. Just like an Apple store, the Google store in Chelsea will open its door to the public in summer 2021. Current CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. Headquarters of Google is in California. Founder of Google is Larry Page and Sergey Brin. This is the current CEO Sundar Pichai. Current affairs about Google. Alphabet Inc. Google has launched international money transfer partnership with remittance firms Wise and Western Union Co. for users of its US payment apps, the company said on Tuesday. Second current affair. Google has launched a new tool called Threadit to make remote work more efficient. Third question. Which UT has launched Uyar Kartru Breathe for Air scheme? Answer: Puducherry. The Uyar Kartru Breathe for Life scheme aimed at the donors playing in a proactive role to contain the virus that would help affected recover faster. More points. The current Puducherry CM is N. Rangaswamy. Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry is Tamilisai Soundararajan. This is Rangaswamy. This is Soundararajan. Current affairs Puducherry. Official sources said Rangaswamy alone would be inducted as the Chief Minister of Puducherry, although he would be heading NDA dispensation, which has the BJP as the other constituent. Second GK. Puducherry has become Har Ghar Jal Union Territory by ensuring that every rural home in the Union Territory gets a household tap connection, the ministry said in a statement. Fourth question. When is National Anti-Terrorism Day celebrated? Answer: May 21. It was after Gandhi's ultimately demands that former Prime Minister VP Singh announced May 21 as Anti-Terrorism Day. The day promotes national peace and encourages unity among citizens. Fifth question. When will be FIFA U17 Women's World Cup in India held? Answer: 11 to 30 October 2022. The FIFA U17 Women's World Cup in India will be held from October 11 to 30, 2022, the FIFA Council announced on Thursday. Sixth question. Name India's first Dronacharya awardee boxing coach who died recently. Answer: O.P. Bhardwaj. India's first Dronacharya awardee coach in boxing, O.P. Bhardwaj, died on Friday after battling prolonged illness and age-related issues. He was 82 and had tragically lost his wife Santosh to illness health about 10 days ago. More points. The Dronacharya Award, officially known as the Dronacharya Award for Outstanding Coaches in Sports and Games, is sports coaching honor of the Republic of India. Dronacharya Award was first given in 1985. Current affairs. M.K. Kaushik was a prominent member of India's last Olympic gold winning team and also a successful coach for India. He died on Saturday due to COVID-19. His 1980 Olympic teammate Ravinder Pal Singh also died on Saturday due to coronavirus. It is a tragic news for the entire hockey world. Second point, three-time national table tennis champion and international player V. Chandrasekhar passed away here on Wednesday due to COVID-19. Seventh question, which bank has launched digital loan processing system for MSME agri borrowers? Answer, IDBI. IDBI Bank on Wednesday announced the launch of its first fully digitalized loan processing system offering over 50 products to MSME and agriculture sector. Eighth question, name the airplane which was crashed in Punjab recently. Answer, MiG-21. A MiG-21 fighter jet of the Indian Air Force crashed late Thursday in the field of Lankania Krut village of Mokha district in Punjab. Ninth question, when was World Meteorology Day celebrated? Answer, May 20. World Meteorology Day is an event occurring on 20 May celebrating the International System of Unit. Meteorology is a study of measurement. The World Meteorology Day project is currently realized jointly by BIPM and the OIML. 10th question, what is the rank of India in 57th Renewable Country Attractiveness Index May 2021? Answer, 3rd. India has moved up a spot to 3rd position on EY's Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index owing to an exceptional performance on the solar photovoltaic front. US and China are in the 1st and 2nd spot respectively. More points. First prize is for US and second for China. Ernst and Young Global Limited, EYs, commonly known as Ernst and Young or simply EY, is a multinational professional services network with headquarters in London, England. EY is one of the largest professional services network in the world. CEO of EY is Carmine Di Sibio. Headquarters of EY is in London, New York. Founder is Arthur Young and Alvin C. Ernst. This is the current CEO of EY. 11th question. What is the theme of World Meteorology Day 2021? Answer, measurement for health. The World Meteorology Day project is realized jointly by BIPM and OIML and is celebrated on 20 May each year. The theme of 2021 is Measurement for Health was chosen to create awareness of the important role measurement plays in health and thus in well-being of everyone of us. More points. The International Organization of Legal Metrology is an intergovernmental organization that was created in 1955 to promote the global harmonization of the legal metrology procedures that underpin the facilitate international trade. Its headquarters is in Paris. The International Bureau of Weight and Measures is an intergovernmental organization through which its 59 member states act together on the measurement standard in 4 areas: chemistry, ionizing radiation, physical metrology, and coordinated universal time. Its headquarters are in Sevres, France. Twelfth question. When is World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development observed? Answer, May 21. The World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development is an United Nations sanctioned international holiday for the promotion of the diversity issues. It is currently celebrated on May 21. 13th question. How many sites have been added to India's tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Answer 6. 6 cultural heritage sites from India, including Varanasi Ghats along the Ganges, Kanchipuram Temple in Tamil Nadu, and Satpura Tiger Reserve in MP, have been added to UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites, Union Minister Prahalad Singh Patel said on Wednesday. List of the 6 sites: Satpura Tiger Reserve, Madhya Pradesh; Varanasi Ghats, Uttar Pradesh; Megalithic Site of Higher Binacal, Karnataka; Maratha Military Architect, Maharashtra; Bhedagat Lameta Ghat in Narmada Valley, Jabalpur; Temple of Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. 15th question. Which alliance has launched an Atlas V rocket recently? Answer: ULA. United Launch Alliance launched an Atlas V rocket into the space today, May 18, marking the first launch of this year for the company. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.